Who are better cooks, men or women?
What kind of a question is that? I mean, do you know what? Okay, not because of the reason you think, but I actually do think that women are better chefs. And it's not because their place is in the kitchen, as, you know, people used to say back in the day. It's because women are so good at understanding other people's emotions. So if I were to make you a bowl of pasta, I would think about how you would like it, the texture, the flavour. Whereas I feel like men are a bit more practical and a bit more thoughtless.
Well, that's a generalisation because I don't think I'm thoughtless, but anyway. Okay, so if you're telling me women are better cooks, then name me one famous woman chef.
Nigella Lawson.
Okay, name me another.
Mary Berry.
Oh, crap. Name me a third.
I don't know my chefs.
But name me some men chef. See how many you can name.
Two.
Okay, don't pretend you don't know. Tell me.
But why is that? I mean, look at these guys. Look at Gordon Ramsay. Look at Jamie Oliver.
Yeah, that's two already.
Look at the kind of,
Name me
rich
some more.
people they are.
Name me some more.
Ottolenghi?
Who?
He doesn't even know. I don't think that we should look at these famous chefs as like who are better cooks, men or women, because these famous chefs started out from rich families. They probably went to Eton.
Jamie Oliver didn't
he?
He's an Essex guy, just cooking for his family, and then just got famous because he was good at it.
Well, I'm not saying
men
that
are better
he's not
at
a good
cooking than women.
Men are better. Wow.
Well, okay. Then if you go to all the Michelin star restaurants in London, New York, Chicago, wherever, it'll always be a man that is the head chef.
Okay,
because they can work under intense environments.
So can women. And you know what? With women can multitask. So when they're in the kitchen and they've got loads of people around them, they're not going to get their head all in a muddle because they're used to this kind of thing.
But that is also what makes them bad, because they're not putting their full attention into that one thing. So they get messy, right? So they don't put the right ingredients in a dish because they're worrying about the kids, or they're worrying about doing the washing as well.
I have a
Obviously,
question
women
for you.
do other things, but...
Who in your family cooks your Christmas dinner?
Me.
Well, my mum does, and it's really nice.